Hello dear friends, this is Dr. Mohammad Aminulsir. Welcome to my channel. In my previous videos, I explained various aspects of column adsorption study, including various kinetic models of column adsorption. These videos have been very popular. Therefore, in this video, I would like to explain Wang column adsorption model. This video is very important, so please do not skip. Well, Wang model comprised of three assumptions. The first one is the adsorption process remains isothermal. The second one is breakthrough curve is symmetrical and there is negligible axial dispersion in the column. Well, the Wang column adsorption model equation can be written as T equal to beta minus 1 by k ln 1 divided by 1 minus C naught divided by Ct, where T equal to time, C naught equal to influent concentration, Ct is the outlet concentration at time t, beta is the 50% adsorption of the breakthrough curve, and k is the Wang model constant. Then from a plot of ln C naught divided by Ct minus 1 versus t will produce a slope equal to beta and intercept equal to 1 by k. So these are the reference list from where most of the informations have been gathered, and in my next video I will show you how to fit Wang column adsorption model using both Origin Pro and Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe this channel, like, comment, share for new updates.